We will start with neck exercise. Keep the hands at the waistline. Exhale. Bring head down. Chin at the throat cavity. You can use both the hands to push it little more. Elbows very close to the head. Inhaling, slowly take it back, head touching the backbone. You can use both the hands again under the chin. Push a little. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Come to center. Inhaling, turn head right, chin and the right shoulder in the same line, straight line. You can use the hand to push the chin a little. Exhaling center. Inhaling left. Exhaling center. Now we will rotate the head. Exhaling down. Inhaling right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Don't lift the shoulder. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly come forward. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Normalize the head. Rotate both the hands together. Forward movement. Make sure elbows are straight. Shoulders are coming very close to the ear. When they go up. When the hands coming down, they should come very close to the body. Now reverse. Throughout the rotation, make sure elbows are straight. Now alternate hands up and down. Stretch maximum at both the ends. Relax. Now keep fingers on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling. Stretch them at the shoulder level back. Now join the elbows at the top, very close to the forehead. Bring it down, draw a bigger line and leave it. Join them at the top, bring them down and leave it. Now join the elbows at the bottom, bring them up and leave it. From sides, up and down. Relax. Keep hands straight forward. Exhaling, bring the elbows back and lock it. Similarly, up and down. Lock the elbows at the front. Don't take them back. Relax. Now, abdomen movement. Just rotate only abdomen. Clockwise 3 times. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Only abdomen should move. Rest of the body should be straight and still. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Now keep right hand straight. Try to reach the right feet to the right hand while exhaling. Take the leg back a little so that you will get the grip. Similarly, left hand with left leg. Right hand with left leg. Now left hand with right leg. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward, palm looking down, legs together. Exhaling, without opening the knees, sit. As if you are sitting on the chair. If you can sit completely, stay there or wherever maximum you can sit. And then slowly come back. While going down or coming back, make sure knees are not open. Do it one more time. Relax. We will do knee rotation. Keep the hands on the knees. Rotate knees clockwise 3 times, anti-clockwise 3 times. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Relax. Now do a jogging. When you do jogging, see if the heel is touching the hips and count number of times it is reaching. Relax. Sit on the asana. Head straight. Toes stretching forward. Exhaling. Bend forward and forehead is coming closer to the knees and hands surpassing the toes. If you have a backache, don't bend forward in any asana. Relax. We will do butterfly. Bring the heels very close to the hips. It should be very close to the Jenga move. And now do a butterfly. Neck and back straight. Look towards the front and see the knees are touching the floor. Your effort should be towards that. Now holding the toes with hands, exhaling, bend forward and see forehead is coming very close to the toes. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Normalize the legs. Now we will do Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel on the left thigh, very close to the right side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. And see, there is very minimum gap between two heels. Both the knees on the floor. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. Normal breathing. We will normalize the breath with deep and long breathing. Exhale. Slowly and gently, but completely exhale. At the final stage, pull the navel deep inside and place the root of the navel on the backbone inside. Apply Mulban, pulling perineal muscles inside is the Mulban. So be there for a second. Release Mulban. Start inhaling slowly but gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Wait for a second. Release the Mulban and repeat. Do it 2 more times. Exhale completely. Take longer time to exhale. At the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Hold the breath out. Apply Mulban. Release Mulban and start inhaling slowly. Inhale up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Release and repeat 1 more time. Once you complete the round, relax. We will chant Om 3 times and then Gayatri Mantra. Inhale. Keep the mouth into circular shape and start chanting Om. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Gently open the eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support, try to get up. We will do Trikonasana. Keep a distance more than shoulder width between two legs. Hands along with the body initially. Now place both the hands in 180 degrees. Turn the right feet towards the right. Left palm up. Inhale. Now exhaling, bend towards right. Hand should be in 180 degrees. Right palm should go to the right feet. Left palm goes up, look towards the left palm. Both the knees should be straight. Inhaling, slowly come back. Straighten the leg, right leg. Now turn left feet towards the left. Right palm up, looking up. Inhale. Exhaling, bend towards left. Left palm should reach left feet and right palm looking up towards the sky. Look at the right palm now. Both the knees should be straight. In the final position, normal breathing. Inhaling, slowly come back. Normalize the legs and hands. We will do Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana, leaving two thighs behind. Heels together, toes apart in V shape. Hands along with the body. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. First, come to Namaskar Mudra. We will invoke the sun god. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up. Hands should be in the shoulder level. Shoulders attached to the ears. Now inhale, bend at the cervical. Neck and head should go back and hands also should go back. Hands should go to the extent ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat, on the backbone. Exhaling, bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Hands should come along with the ears. Try to place the palms on the floor beside the feet. Forehead towards the knees. If you cannot place the palms on the floor, try to touch the fingers at least. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel on the backbone. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe in erect position. Right knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Left leg 90 degrees between two hands. Chest forward. Head back. Look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the genetical organs on the backbone. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs, both the feet. Try to place heels on the floor, head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at the crown of the head, Sahasrara Chakra. Try to place both the heels on the floor. Don't bend the knees. Bad blood will gush towards the heart for purification. The sciatica problem will go away. The purified blood move towards the brain. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor. Knees should be straight. Elbows should be straight. Entire weight on your palm and the toes. First knees down, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor. Lift the lower abdomen a little, that should not touch the floor. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart on the backbone. Due to magnetic effect on the heart problems will go away, brain function will improve, the memory power will increase. Inhaling, lift yourself up, straighten the elbows, bend from the tip of the backbone, chest forward, head back, bend maximum. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra, between first and second vertebrae. The entire respiratory system will get turned up. And entire Surya Namaskar we will get only once in this position. So try to be there for more time in this posture. Exhaling, lift yourself up and go back. Try to place the heels on the floor again, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands. Right leg should be 90 degrees between two hands. Left knee very close to the floor but not touching the floor. Left toe in standing position. Chest forward. Head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra again. Liver function will improve. The lower abdomen organs will get turned up. Exhaling, bring left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, and again try to place the palms on the floor, forehead towards the knees. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Bend back from the cervical. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down. Relax on the backbone. Lie down on the backbone. Just normalize your breath. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Join the feet. Take the hands towards the head on the floor, and hands should be at the shoulder level. From elbows to rear side of the palm on the floor. Now inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction. As if two people are pulling you in opposite direction. From the navel, you should feel that it's separated and stretch in opposite. In the final position, normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. Try to increase the stretch. even though you are breathing normal. All nerves and bones will get stretched. Entire day you will be active and alert. Relax. Just relax elbows and the toes. Keep the hands over there. We will do Navasana. Just take 2-3 breaths. Inhalation and exhalation. Join both the legs. Again, stretch legs and hands. Now inhaling, bring the legs towards the head and try to place very close to the palm. In the final stage, the toes should touch the floor and immediately move forward. While exhaling, palm should surpass the toes. Hand should go along with the ears when you are rotating or rolling. Knee should be straight. When you go forward or back, don't hit the back on the floor. Gently move forward. Relax. Relax in sitting position. Keep little distance between toes. Hands behind the back. Looking up. Close the eyes. Normalize the breath. Now we will do Chakki Asana. Once you relax, try to keep maximum distance between two legs. Whatever maximum you can keep, try to keep maximum distance. And try to bend forward 2-3 times so that you will ease your abdomen area. Now join both the hands as if you are rotating the Chakki. In Telugu, Tiragali, right? So just try to move your hands first towards the right leg. Try to reach maximum towards the right toe without bending elbows. Try to bend forward. Come towards the left hand, left leg, left toes, and come along with the leg back and rotate in clockwise. When you bend forward, see if you can reach both the toes, but toes should be stretched forward. Do it at least 10 times. The excess fat at the abdomen area will get reduced. Also, the thighs will become strong and they will get excess fat also reduced there. Relax. Now, anti-clockwise 10 times. Once you are done, relax. Bring both the legs together. Hands behind the back. Normalize your breath. We will do Konasana. Once you relax, keep both the hands very close to the hips behind the back. Legs together, toes together. Stretch the toes forward. Stretch the toes forward. Taking the support from heels and the hands. Lift the central part of the body up. Elbows and the knees should be straight. You can suspend the head at the back. The final stage, try to place the toes on the floor. Lift yourself up and normal breathing. Without you noticing, you will slowly coming down. Try to push yourself up. Shoulders will become very strong. Entire respiratory system will get toned up. If you have a backache, that will go away. If you don't have a backache, you will never get it. Exhaling, slowly come back. Take longer time to come back. Once you come back, come to Vajrasana, placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs in one go. Heels apart, toes together. Sit in between. Knees together. Hands on the knees. Elbows very close to you. Close to the body. Eyes gently closed. Normalize the breath. Try to sit daily after taking food at least 5 to 10 minutes so that the digestion capacity will increase. Now lie down on the abdomen, Sithilasana right side. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel very close to the right knee, gently touching it. Left hand, place of uppercase of L in front of the eyes. Both the lung lobes on the floor, shoulders in normal position. This position will help normalize high blood pressure. Insomnia will go away if you practice this. If you are not getting sleep, come to this position, you will get sleep quicker. We will do Shalabhasana. Come on to the abdomen. Chin on the floor. Both the hands under the thighs. Both the hands very close to them, each other. Palm looking towards the thighs. Both the legs close to each other. Now inhaling, lift both the legs maximum up to your capacity. If you want, you can take the support from the hands. Lift yourself, lift both the legs. In the final stage, normal breathing. Be there for some time. Chin on the floor. Count yourself how much time you can stay there. If you cannot hold, exhaling, slowly come back. And then Shithalasana, left side Vishrant. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right leg, right hand folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eye. Mirror case of uppercase L. Both the lung lows on the floor. Both the shoulders in normal position. This will help normalize the low blood pressure. Bringing right hand under the head, come on to the backbone. We will do Padottanasana. Bring both the hands towards the head on the floor. Both the hands should be at the shoulder level. The width should be equal to shoulder level. From elbow to rear side of the palm on the floor. Now, lift both the legs a little. It should be 1 or 2 inches, not more than that. Keeping left leg there above 1 inch, above the floor, at least 1 to 2 inches. Lift the right leg and left hand up. Both should be parallel to each other. Knee should be straight. Left leg should be straight but above the floor. It should not touch the floor. Exhaling, slowly take them back, but make sure legs are above the floor. They should not touch the floor. Now lift the left leg and right hand up. Both should be parallel. Right leg should be above the floor. Exhaling, slowly take it back, but again make sure both the legs above the floor. Now lift both the legs and the hands 90 degrees parallel to each other. The final position, normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back. Don't hit the floor, slowly bring it back. Bring both the hands along with the body. Bring them down. Relax. Now we will do Balakridasana. Quickly. Both the hands and the legs rotate. You can look at me and then do it. As if, you go back to your childhood and then try to do it. As if you are looking for something but parents are not giving. So rotate both hands and the legs 15 times. Make a bigger circle with the legs and the hands. Now reverse 15 times. Once you are done, relax in Savasana. Hands along with the body. Relax the legs. Relax the toes. Little toe towards the floor. Palms looking up. Fingers loose but straight. Normalize your breath. You can take long breathing, long inhalation and exhalation so that you will normalize the breath. Now scan the entire body with your mental eye. Scan each and every part of the body. Start from right leg toe, travel towards right head towards the right side, and then slowly scan from the left side, from head to left leg toes, and then left leg toe to head, head to right leg toes. With mental eye, realize that soon after you scan each part of the body, that will get relaxed. As if that is sending the status report to the brain and then relaxing after that. Introspect like that with your mental eye. Turning from right, come and sit in Padmasana or whichever asana you are comfortable with. Request everyone to unmute so that we will go for Hasi Asana for a minute. Let others also hear your happiness with your loud laugh. Now show your happiness with laugh. Inhale.
I cannot laugh.
Entire gone. Okay, relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Sit in Padmasana or half Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever you are comfortable with. Eyes gently closed. Now we will do Anulom Vilom so that we will normalize our breath. Right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Hold first two fingers, place it on the root of the thumb. Remaining two fingers straight. Place the thumb on the right nostril. Ring finger on the left nostril. Elbow very close to the body. Now open left nostril. Start inhaling slowly from left nostril. Hold the breath inside. Apply Moolban, pulling the perineal muscles inside is Moolban. Hold for a second. Exhale from, release and exhale from the right nostril. Exhale completely. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Moolban. Hold for a second. Release Moolban. And then start inhaling from right. Slowly but gently up to the throat. Hold the breath inside. Again apply Moolban. Release Moolban. Start exhaling from left. Exhale completely. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Moolban. Hold for a second and release. So that is one round. Let's start. I'll repeat one more time. Start inhaling from left. Very slowly, gently, up to the throat. Sound should not come when you are inhaling or exhaling. Hold the breath inside. Apply Moolban. Hold for a second. Release Moolban. Exhale from right. Exhale completely. Hold breath outside. Again apply Moolban. Release Moolban. Start inhaling from right. Slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Moolban. Hold for a second. Release Moolban. Start exhaling from left. Exhale completely. Hold breath outside. Again apply Moolban. Release Moolban. Relax and then start one more round. You should not feel stress when you are inhaling or exhaling. Happy dispersion of the mind on the face throughout the pranayama. Entire concentration should be on your breathing. Once you are done, relax. Now we will do Abhyantar Akshepi Pranayam. Both hands in Jnana Mudra. We will inhale in 5 stages. Exhale in 4 stages. Sorry. Inhale in 4 stages. Exhale in 5 stages. In the final stage, apply Moolban. Let me repeat. Start inhaling in installments. Inhale a little. Hold for 2 seconds. Inhale a little. Hold for a second. Inhale again a little. Hold for a second. Now inhale completely. Hold the breath inside. Apply Moolban. Release Moolban. Exhale a little. Hold for 2 seconds. Again exhale a little. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale a little. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale a little. Hold for 2 seconds. Now exhale completely. See, the root of the navel is placed on the backbone inside. Pull the navel deep inside. Exhale completely. Again apply Moolban. Hold for 2 seconds. release Mulban and start inhaling. And relax. This is one round. Let's do it 2 more rounds. Let me repeat one more time. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale again, hold for 2 seconds. Now inhale completely, hold the breath, apply Mulban, release Mulban. Now exhale a little, hold for 2 seconds. 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 Now exhale completely, pull the navel deep inside, apply Mulban, hold for 2 seconds, release Mulban, and you can start inhaling. Relax. Do it one more time. Once you are done, relax. We will do Bastrika. Left hand on the knees, Chin Mudra. Right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Place the ring finger on the left nostril. Elbow very close to the body. Open the right nostril. Start inhaling and exhaling. It should be deep inhalation and exhalation with force. 10 times. Once you are done 10 times, in the final stage, start inhaling from right, deep inhalation. Hold the breath inside, apply Triban. Hold for a second, release Triban and exhale from left. Hold the breath outside, again apply Triban, half of the time to internal Kumbhak, and then relax. Final stage, start inhaling, deep inhalation, hold the breath inside, apply Triban, first Mulban, Udianban, and then Jalandharban. Hold for 2 seconds, release Triban in order, first Udianban, Jalandharban, and then Mulban. Exhale from left, exhale completely, hold the breath outside, again apply Triban. Hold for a second, release Triban and relax. So this is first round. In second round, close the right nostril, do the same number of times from left nostril. In the final stage, deep inhalation from left, hold the breath inside, apply Triban, hold for 2 seconds, release Bandhas, exhale from right, hold breath outside, again apply Triban, half of the time to internal Kumbhak. So start from left. Now start inhaling from left. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribal. Release Bandhas. Exhale from right. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Tribal. Release and relax. This is second round. In third round, we will inhale from right and exhale from left. Inhale from left and exhale from right. Same number of times. In the final stage, inhale from right. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribal. Exhale from left. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Tribal. Release Bandhas. Start inhaling from left. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribal. Release Bandhas. Exhale from right. Again apply Tribal and relax. In the final stage, start inhaling from right. Hold the breath inside. Apply Tribal. Release Bandhas. Exhale from left. Hold the breath outside. Again apply Tribal. Release Bandhas. Start inhaling from left. Hold the breath inside. Again apply Tribal. Release Bandhas and exhale from right. Again apply Tribal. Release and relax. In the final stage, both the hands on the knees. Chin Mudra. Now inhale and exhale from both the nostrils, same number of times. In the final stage, start inhaling from both the nostrils. Hold the breath inside, apply Tribal. Hold for 2 seconds. Release Bandhas and again hold, exhale and hold breath outside and again apply Tribal. Final stage, start inhaling. Inhale completely, hold the breath inside, apply Tribal. Release Bandhas, exhale completely, again apply Tribal. Hold for a second, release Tribal and relax. Now you will not feel either inhaling or exhaling. We'll call it as Kaivalya Kumbhak. Just experience it. Relax. Hands in Jnana Mudra. We will chant Om once and we will conclude. We will not proceed with meditation today. We are already at 7. Inhale. Chant Om loudly all together. Be there in this state for 2 seconds. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back 2-3 times. Right and left. This will help normalize the blood circulation. Clockwise 2-3 times. Rotate the feet. Anti-clockwise 2-3 times. Relax. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.